Hi, my name is Mariah Starnes, and this is my presentation over copyright and plagiarism. We're going to go ahead and start off by talking about copyright. Now, you're probably wondering, what is a copyright? A copyright is a legal right that protects original works of authorship. A copyright covers audio, such as music or recordings, visual, as in art, or written, like books. So you can see a lot of things that are copyright will have this little C inside of a circle. A few examples are if you are using social media or the internet, such as Facebook or YouTube, you will notice that some people, when posting a video with music, have to cite or type out that they do not have a copyright or ownership of the music in order for it to stay on the site. Facebook will directly give a notice of videos being removed due to a violation of intellectual property, and this was found on the Facebook Help Center. So if you do not state that this is not your music, specifically, they will take it down. The same with YouTube. If it's a fan video with music and visuals, they have to specifically state that this is not their intellectual property and who it originally belongs to. A way to prevent copyright is by getting permission from the original author, um, and then giving credit where credit is due. We'll go ahead and move on to plagiarism. What is plagiarism? Well, it's taking someone else's work or ideas and passing them off as your own. This is coming from dictionary.com, so I cited that where I received this definition from. You can see there's a funny little cartoon that says, "What do you mean all my facts are wrong? I copied everything straight off the internet." And as you can see on the very, very bottom of this picture as well, it has the copyright of this picture. Now, a few examples of plagiarism. There are 4 different types. There's direct, which is word for word. There's self, when someone submits their own work more than once for a project. Mosaic is when they borrow phrases and do not use quotation marks. And then there's accidental plagiarism when someone fails to cite. So definitely no copying and pasting here. That's a no-go. Some preventions is you can use a citation generator. There's a lot of free ones that you can use online. You just have to plug in a few informations, whether it's from a book or a website, date, year, page that you are citing or quoting from. And also, just don't plagiarize in the first place. Since high school, we have been given syllabi that also goes over plagiarism, what plagiarism looks like, and what the repercussions for plagiarism are as well. Speaking of repercussions, there are a few for both copyright and for plagiarism. With the copyright, you can receive a lawsuit. You could have monetary fines, so you have to pay money out of your pocket for that. There could also be jail time, depending on how severe the copyright infringement was. For plagiarism, if you are a student, you would fail the assignment. There's possibility of suspension and dismissal depending if you were in high school or in college. Well, that is it for my video over copyright and plagiarism. Thank you for watching.